Hi, こんにちは. In this video, you'll learn how to talk about the weather for today and the past few days. You'll also learn how to use the mo particle. Today is a sunny weather. 今日は晴れです. Yesterday was a rainy weather. 昨日は雨でした. The day before yesterday, too, was a rainy weather. おとといも雨でした. For this lesson, we'll look at the vocabulary first. 今日 today 昨日 yesterday おととい the day before yesterday 晴れ a sunny weather. Why not sunny? 晴れ is actually a noun, so it's not exactly correct to translate it as sunny because sunny is an adjective. So 晴れ is more like a sunny weather. Here's a memory tip. Remember this phrase, hooray, it's a sunny weather. Hooray sounds like a bit like 晴れ 曇り a cloudy weather. It also means cloud. 雨 a rainy weather. It also means rain. 雪 a snowy weather. It also means snow. Now let's look at the grammar point 1, the past tense of this. In the previous video, we've learned the x は y です pattern, which means as for x, it's y, or simply x is y. The past tense is x は y でした. X was y. Let's see some examples. As for yesterday, it was a rainy weather. 昨日は雨でした. 昨日は雨でした. As for yesterday, it was a cloudy weather. 昨日は曇りでした. 昨日は曇りでした. As for the day before yesterday, it was a sunny weather. おとといは晴れでした. おとといは晴れでした. As for the day before yesterday, it was a snowy weather. おとといは雪でした. おとといは雪でした. Let's look at some other examples of X は Y でした. Let's say you received a present and you want to tell your friend the present was an umbrella. プレゼントは傘でした. プレゼントは傘でした. You can also tell your friend what your breakfast was. How do you say the breakfast was sushi? 朝ごはんは寿司でした. 朝ごはんは寿司でした. Let's look at the grammar point 2, the mo particle. As we have learned, x は y です means as for x it is y, and it's translated as x is y. What happens if we use the も particle instead of the は particle? X も Y です。X も means X too. So X も Y です means X too is Y. We can use the も particle for the past tense as well. X は Y でした means X was Y. X も Y でした means X too was Y. Let's see some examples. Let's say it's raining today and it was also raining yesterday. How do we say yesterday too was a rainy weather? 昨日も雨でした。昨日も雨でした。Let's say you're talking about yesterday's weather, which was snowy, and you want to say the day before yesterday too was snowy. How do you say? おとといも雪でした。おとといも雪でした。Let's say you are eating sushi for dinner and you had sushi for breakfast too. How do you say the breakfast too was sushi? 朝ごはんも寿司でした。朝ごはんも寿司でした。Let's review the dialogue. Today is a sunny weather. 今日は晴れです。今日は晴れです。Yesterday was a rainy weather. 昨日は雨でした。昨日は雨でした。The day before yesterday, too, was a rainy weather. おとといも雨でした。おとといも雨でした。